Today we'll be showing you how to replace the microswitch within a wheel socket. The microswitch can be found with the yellow Watermaster IC or a manually adjustable pressure switch as shown on the left. Firstly, we need to drain the system and remove the rear back plate. Turn off the pump and drain the system. This can take around 5 to 10 minutes. The photo shown is a typical Eldis wiring color code. It is good practice to take a photo before removing wires for later reference. Other van types and models may differ. After making sure the water is completely drained, remove the fitting. Remove this screw. If the yellow IC box is present, then detach it from the blue plate. Remove the rear blue plate. Now we can remove and replace the microswitch. Against a table or any flat surface, push the plate as shown to pop the microswitch out. Replace with the new microswitch and push it back until the microswitch is fully home as shown. Next, we can replace the back plate into the socket. Put the terminal connector as shown, slide it in until fully pushed in. Refit the blue back plate. Check the front of the socket, which is on the outside of the van, ensuring the terminal is located to the slot. Slightly push the yellow IC box and keep pressure into the socket while tightening up the screw, ensuring that the screw is not over tightened. Finally, we can reconnect all the wires. Ensure to connect the correct wires to the right pins. Reconnect the pipe and ensure all fittings are fully pushed in to avoid leaks. Put the locking clip back if applicable. Proceed to calibration for socket with yellow IC box or adjust the adjusting screw as required.